Hello art lovers, welcome back to another art video. I'm Japneet and you're watching Peacock Arts. I know it's been a quite long time that I haven't posted any art video, but here I am back with another art video. Actually, it's going to be a painting talk. I'm going to tell you about the benefits of painting and why we should even paint. Studies have shown so many benefits of painting that I'll be telling you in this video, and I'll be painting the portrait of Frida Kahlo side by side. Without wasting any time, let's jump into today's painting talk. Before I start, let me tell that I'm using Winsor & Newton watercolors over here. So, today I'm going to talk about the benefits of painting. Studies have found that painting can be really beneficial for a person's physical, mental, and spiritual well-being, not only in children but adults as well. So, let's begin with a question. What does painting mean to you? For me, painting is the expression of ideas and emotions. It is something that comes straight from the heart. That means a person who indulges in art activity is able to express himself or herself. So, I'm going to talk about the first benefit of painting. Painting develops communication. Art helps people to tell their stories without words. Painting helps us to tap into our subconscious mind and allows us to communicate our feelings to ourselves and the outside world through the pieces we create. Through art, we can express political views, reinforce religion, or convey deeply personal thoughts through symbols or abstract art. Even I feel that painting is like talking to myself and putting out my thoughts on sheet to let you all know. So, the second benefit of painting improves memory and concentration. Creative activities like drawing and painting stimulate both hemispheres of the brain, both the left and the right. The left side involves the logical side, while the right side controls our creativity and emotions. Painting works to sharpen the mind through conceptual visualization and implementation. People who indulge in painting activity have less chances of developing memory loss illness like Alzheimer's or dementia. From my own experience, I would say since I've started painting regularly, my concentration has improved even in reading books. So, if you are a little forgetful, I think you should start painting. So, we have our benefit number 3. Painting fosters creative growth. People who are artistic since their childhood have their right brain stimulated, while the people with better analytical skills have their left brain more active. But taking up painting as a hobby isn't just good for creative people, but left-brainers can stimulate and nurture their creative growth. I would say that more often you create, the more you become creative. So, when you are creative, you take any task not just to finish it, but to do it creatively, hence improving your productivity at work. Here we have our fourth benefit. Painting relieves stress. Very few people know about this benefit, but it really helps. Stress is a common problem that everyone deals with to some degrees in their life. High level of stress and anxiety lead to mental health issues. So, painting allows us to escape our daily struggles. It offers an emotional release and outlet for people that struggle with stress or have a stressful moment in their lives. Well, when I paint, I become totally detached from my surroundings. It helps to declutter my mind of any negative thoughts. And at the end of any painting, I feel totally relaxed. Remember, you also don't have to pressurize yourself to paint, or it will become a stressful activity in itself. It's no surprise that low stress levels lead to a happier, healthier lifestyle and helps promote mental health. So, if you are dealing with stress in your life, you should indulge in painting. Moving on to our benefit number 5. Painting nurtures emotional growth. The painting practice encourages individuals to look at their own emotional state and take note of emotions they may not even realize they have. Making the emotions flow through painting helps create harmony between the heart and mind, which leads us to experience happiness, love, empathy, and peace. Many therapists and psychiatrists suggest art therapy as a treatment for patients who have suffered psychological traumas. Playing around with different types of painting can help you understand what triggers certain feelings such as happiness, sadness, love, or anger. Those who paint experience an increase in their emotional intelligence level. Even I have seen myself grow emotionally, as the practice of drawing and painting are procedures that demand a lot of patience. It taught me to wait, to listen, and to appreciate silence. I am able to understand my own emotional state and realize my emotional triggers. If you are someone who is dealing with any kind of stress, you should try art therapy. And it does not have to be complex. It can be as simple as scribbling or doodling. If you are already into the painting, let me know how do you feel while painting. You can let me know your views in the comments below. So at the end I would say, taking up painting promotes a happy mood, not only in the artist but also in people around them. I hope you enjoyed this painting talk and our painting is also complete. So, are you feeling completely inspired? If yes, check out my video for the painting ideas. I'm giving the link in the corner. You can also check my painting talks for more inspiration. And you can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more painting ideas. And our painting is almost complete. If you like this painting talk and my painting, you can hit the like button. You can also share this painting with your friends and family, and you may also consider subscribing to my channel for weekly art video, art inspiration, and more painting ideas. I know times have been really stressful these days due to the COVID rise in our country, but with the hope that we'll all come out of it together, stay out of stress by meditating, talking to your friends, or indulge in an activity that you really love doing, and it could be painting. As you know the benefits of painting now, you can start your own painting practice. And here we have our painting of the day. Did you like this painting? Let me know your views and opinion in the comments below, and I'll see you next time with something new and interesting. Till then, stay safe and keep painting.